at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
I'm releasing.
Awesome.
All right, we're gonna machine open these 3 different bullets. These are live rounds. I haven't removed the primers or the powder. I encased them in epoxy just so I could hold them. Makes a good secure hold. We got some 22 long rifles, some 30-06, and a 12-gauge shotgun shell. I don't know if these will detonate or not. I assume the brass ones won't. I'm a little worried about this 12-gauge shotgun shell because it actually has some steel in it, so it might create some sparks. We're just going to machine it down in a circular pattern to kind of work our way down 25 thou at a time in a circular pattern. Yeah, let's give her a whirl. Let's see what she looks like inside. Didn't look like the bullet moved at all, but blew out the back there. Luckily it kind of had an outlet. I don't know what some of these deeper ones would do. I guess we'll find out. Kind of frightening. It was way louder than I thought it'd be. Okay, that's about enough of that. I heard something kind of impact. You can even see there's a hole. I just put this little, you got a hole back there, and I also heard it hit something else pretty hard. I don't know what. Okay, as far as these, yeah, maybe once I build a cage, I'm gonna need a bigger cage. I can't dare do these bigger rounds like this. Let's take a look at this. Take this out. Yeah, that's pretty scary. You probably can't hear how loud it is. Probably because these are, you know, somewhat compressed by being in the epoxy. I think we'll call that good. Yeah, you can see several of them went off. Yeah, that definitely have some big pucker factor. I can kind of see I have a shield set up here, but I still didn't actually feel safe. So I'm definitely not going to do the bigger rounds here. Well, yeah, I guess they do go off. Yeah, still a pretty cool experiment. I think I can kind of see why. I looked on YouTube. I didn't really see anybody machining live bullets. Probably because they're not quite as stupid as I am. But hey, it's fun. Science, right? All right. Make sure you like and subscribe. I got some other little experiments coming up I'm going to do too. So yeah, thanks for watching. Oops, turns out I created a frag grenade. I guess that's science. Don't do this at home, kids.